already know that Disney is really famous for its movie makings and achievements in movies making. But more and more nowadays that there are a lot of negative comments about whether this judging is fair or not, and that Disney movies, the quality are not as good as before. So should we rate these movies on a group of people, a public, like should be decided by members of public rather than a group of experts in this area. So as a first speaker, I will define the motion and then introduce my team's first two ideas, and my second speaker will continue it. So for the definition, so public here, we will base on the ratings on webs like IMDb, Rotten Tomatoes, and webs that used for movies judging. So before that, we have to say that by stopping the author to buy the votes, there will be verification in the voting system, and it will make the system fair. Second, that the groups of panels is experts in movie making. They can be directors and they can be movie critics. The stakeholders here are experts, the fans, the people that make the movie or the books. So coming to my first idea, the public's ideas, the public's emotion. So rather than basing on the judge, subjective reasons, how they are made, which CGI or used in, the group of public in this in my team's idea will instead based on how the movies impact them, what emotion that the movies bring, but not based on critic things like CGI or stuff like that. So rather than doing that, it will help to focus more on the feelings of the movies. So okay, coming to the second idea. The panels in this group is biased in some situation. Like the groups of panel, they are famous, so a lot of authors know them. It will create a biased judging system. So by then, the authors of the movies in making will be really easily attacked by the public. So we should base this rating on a group of public, so it won't be biased, and also it will help the movie that I chose worthy of the prize. Thanks a lot for listening.